Hey team, here is the justification for the design choices I made when creating the infographic for our third project. The first element of graphic design I will discuss is visual hierarchy. Visual hierarchy means the arrangement of elements implied levels of importance. This is achieved by creating dominant and subdominant focal points. The dominant information that I wanted to convey to the audience is the text in red paired with each of the graphs. This is because I think this is the most important information for the audience to remember. I have placed purple circles around these. The subdominant information is the charts and graphs themselves that are in blue and gold. These are important for visualizing the information because a sketch and statement makes the information much clearer for the audience. I have placed red boxes around these. The major focal point to this infographic is in the center where the words 22 each day are in large print and red font. This is because I believe this is the most important piece of information with the infographic. I have placed a large blue circle over this. The next graphic design element I will cover is alignment. Alignment means that elements are not scattered on a page, but arranged relative to a line or margin. The different types of alignment are horizontal, vertical, edge, and center. The horizontal and vertical alignment is built into the infographic that I have done using black lines that separate each of the sections. Horizontal alignment is present between the military versus civilian suicides bar graph and the American veterans with PTSD pie chart. Vertical alignment is present between the 22 each day section and the conclusion. These serve to keep the audience on track through the infographic and make the information presented less cluttered. The last graphic design element I will cover is color harmony, more specifically the complementary color scheme. The complementary color scheme uses colors that are opposite of one another on the color wheel. The colors I used in this infographic that are opposite of one another on the color wheel were red, blue, and gold. The color red was used 60% of the time, such as in the title and the important sections to remember, while blue made up 30% and gold 10%, which were located within the chart. This was to ensure that there were not too many colors attempting to compete for the viewer's attention and resulting in disharmony. This was a fun project to complete. If you have any questions about my design choices, please let me know. Thank you.